Assalamualaikum and hi. Based on Lab 5 procedure stack and array, the objective is to understand the data movement and arithmetic objective. First, let me introduce you about stack. The main thing of stack is push and pop. Push, store data to the top of the stack. First, unused spot located the top of the stack. And then for pop, retrieve data from the top of the stack. Okay, based on that 5. Okay, move AX 042A. You can see here. Then BX 2E5 02E5. And then we move CX 0002. Then we push AX to the stack. You can see here in the stack. And then we push BX to the stack. Okay, 02E5 on the stacks. And then we add BX to AX here. And then looping. We add again 09F4. And then we move BX, AX here. And then we pop AX. We take from the stack 02E5. And then here. That's all for question 1. Next, question 2 is about array. What is array? Array data structure is a data structure consisting of a collection of elements, each identified by at least one array index or key. As you can see here, the first row is a name for array, the second row the type, and third row for the value assigned to the array. First, move AL A plus 4. 4A has been called. And then AL B plus 3. 3B has been called. And then B plus 4. B don't has 4, but take from 0CH. And then A plus 11. A doesn't have until 11. So A call 1CH. We call move AL B plus 2. You get 2B. We exchange B plus 2 with A plus 3. B plus 3. 3A. So B plus 2 have exchange with A plus 3. We call back the B plus 2. We get A 3A. That's all. Thank you.